Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardest Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to install and set up the application for your Sony theater speaker on your iPhone. At first you need to enter the App Store and then you have to search for the Sony Bravia Connect. Sony Bravia. As you can see, this one. Here you'll see the get button and you have to tap this get button and then authorize yourself using the Face ID or App ID password or the Touch ID. After the authorization, the download will begin. Here, after some time, you'll see here open. We have to tap open, and here we have to tap I read the above contents and agree. Well, you can of course read this, but I don't really want to because it's safe mostly. Ask app not to track. Allow. Now I do recommend to be not connected to your speaker. I mean to be connected to your speaker. Pardon me, I'm tired. You have to just tap then on the device here because it will detect automatically. And now your downloading resources will begin. Now move closer to the speaker. As you could hear, we can hear the sound. Start pairing. Pair. Yes. Next. 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 Okay. Here, as you can see, we do have some placement tips, but we can of course leave this here. Next. Oh goodness, you can't skip this. Next. As you can see, we can't skip this. We have to wait a moment and see this tutorial. Skip. Done. Now you can tap next here and allow here later, and as you can see, it's done. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.